I know you've seen the ads for sub $1 kitchen gadgets. It's Temu. They're here, and although not all their products are my cup of tea, I was curious. I wanted to see if they had some stuff that would help us knitters, crocheters, yarny people finally get organized for the new year at a great price. So the kind folks at Temu, sponsoring today's video, sent me a few different project bags, baskets, organizers to try out so you can see what they look like in real life. I'll talk about the quality, kind of a what I ordered versus what I got situation, and show you what these little babies can do. Upon opening the package, I see this adorable rope basket that they actually advertise as being a diaper caddy, but I think it's just begging to hold some yarn and kind of sit there right at the foot of the couch. It comes all folded up like this, so I'm gonna go ahead and unfurl him and see how the reshaping process goes, and we'll come back to that one. First, I want to talk about the one I'm most excited for. This is an all-in-one project bag with room for yarn, all your hooks and needles and notions, and a little room to spare. And I was really hoping that this would be good quality, and they did not disappoint. It's made from a thick canvas. It feels really sturdy and durable. It has these rivets, a hallmark of a project bag, so that you can run a yarn strand through and get to work on your project without rifling through your yarn balls. There's a little spot for the all-important emotional support beverage. And let's have a look at this front compartment. Ooh, every one of these is a spot for a hook or a needle, and we'll fill that up soon to see what it can do, but let's check out the side pocket first. Yes, this is the perfect size for about 10 crochet hooks, and there's yet another clear zipper pocket for notions as well. There's a pouch in the back where you can fit a book or a tablet, and it comes with a little circular zippy clippy pouch, cause why not? And what is this? Oh, this is a removable divider that velcros in, so you can decide if you want extra separation or extra space. And on the inside, there's even more little pockets for probably straight knitting needles, or Tunisian hooks would fit in there too. I can't wait to fill this thing up and see how much it can hold. While Temu is running sales and deals all the time, up to 90% off, today this bag is 22% off, making it under $30. But Temu has provided a coupon code. You can search DKK9953 on their site to get an extra 30% off, making it a steal at $19.50. And if the price goes down after you buy it, you can request a refund for the difference for up to 30 days. So I was able to fit in here about 8 yarn balls, 3 tape measures, 13 hooks, and a circular needle set with plenty of room to spare. Now I'm just ready to go. When's crochet in public day? I'm not usually crocheting when I'm out and about, but maybe now I'll have to. This bag just makes it too easy. Next, we have this double-sided knitting and crochet notions case. I went with the classic gray, but they also have some fun prints for the equally fun price of $13. And this one has great compartments for fixed circular and even straight needles, a clear zipper case, and these large versatile pockets, and again, spots for 10 hooks or so. I love how sleek and compact it is. So let's fill her up. Ta-da! Look how nicely it holds everything. And I even have room to grow. Oop, I missed one. And this case had no problem holding even the biggest and longest hooks. Everything feels sturdy and high quality. This case is another winner. I'm very happy with this one. The next one was a wild card. I don't think I've seen much like it. They called it a cylindrical storage bag, or a yarn drum box. And online it looked on the smaller side, but hey, they say it's for yarn and it's $12, so let's give it a go. It comes in 2 pieces, and this must be the cylindrical part, but he comes a little mushed, so I'm hoping it will fully expand and round out with time and use. This flat bit has the compartments to hold the notions and hooks, and it looks like there's Velcro on both pieces. We'll match those up and connect them together. So maybe that will help give the bag some structure. I'll close it up with this little strap and, yeah. Not quite as pretty as his picture, but let's see what this little guy can do. First, I'll add my hooks and notions. And the yarn compartment looks like it can probably hold just one standard 100-gram skein. So I'm popping a ball of Lion Brand Hometown in there. The rivet in the top is perfect for a center pull. Let's close her up. And you know what? This little guy is pretty convenient. If you're short on space, it's got everything you need for a small project in one little spot. It's like a good travel project bag. What do you think? Would you use it? Last but not least, I had the idea to try something that wasn't necessarily designed specifically for yarn. This is actually a pencil case, but I recognized some similar compartments that we could use for hooks and needles, and maybe branch out of the crafting specific organizers to try to get our hands on some trendier colors and fabrics, like the cute corduroy that these pencil cases come in. So let's fill this one up and see if the stationery girlies can share their organizers with us yarn girlies. As you can see, the Clover Amour hooks and tulip style hooks fit just right, but not an inch more. My large hooks and needles fit in the main compartment no problem. There isn't quite as much separation as the craft specific organizers, but in practice I could see that working out just fine. I mean, realistically, half the time I'm gonna just toss the hook in the bag before I carefully place it back in its individual spot, right? I love how this one looks and how it can just sit nicely on a desk or a side table. Now, remember that rope basket from the beginning? I gave him some time and he stretched out to this. Not quite as rounded as the product photo, but I'm not mad at it. Currently it's been commandeered for Legos, but when I get it back one day, you can see how it would be a lovely way to store, organize, and display a few balls of yarn. It's thick and great quality at a great price. And remember, you get 30% off. So there's my little Temu review with yarn and craft storage in mind. Let me know which one's your favorite. I am partial to this epic project bag. It's the nicest one I've ever had. Links to all the products I mentioned and the coupon code will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!